Using the Output Data tool in Alteryx allows you to save or export processed data to various formats and destinations. Here's how to effectively use the Output Data tool. Configure the tool. Drag the Output Data tool from the Output category onto the Alteryx canvas. Double-click the tool to configure its settings. Select Output File Type. Choose the file format for your output data, such as CSV, Excel, Access Database, or others supported by Alteryx. Specify output location. Define where you want to save the output data. This could be a local directory, network drive, cloud storage, or a specific database. Configure output options. Customize output options such as file encoding, sheet names, or database connection details if exporting to a database. Manage output fields. Map fields from your workflow to columns in the output data file. Ensure field names and data types align with the requirements of your destination. Run workflow. Execute your workflow in Alteryx. The Output Data tool will save the processed data according to your configured settings. Review output. After execution, verify the output data to ensure it meets your expectations. Use tools like Browse to inspect the data before proceeding with further analysis or sharing.